My name is Sarah Chaladi and I'm an applications engineer here at BRECOflex. Today I'm here to talk to you about the SM5 tension meter. Some of the advantages of our SM5 tension meter are that it has simple, one-touch operation, uses light to read the frequency of the belt so that it's useful in a noisy factory environment, and it displays a simple frequency reading that anyone can interpret. We also provide an SM5 tension meter with a probe, a flexible probe that can be used to access hard-to-reach areas. Now, I will demonstrate how you can use either of these devices in the field. To use the SM5 tension meter, simply press the button to turn it on, hold it about an inch off the back of the belt, and flick the belt to get a frequency reading. To use the SM5 tension meter with a probe, press the button to turn it on, hold the probe an inch off the belt, and flick the belt to get a frequency reading. If you'd like to see more informative, educational, and entertaining videos from BRECOflex, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like more information about our SM5 tension meter, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching.